Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add lights and shadows in Substance Painter using a simple trick with a thickness map. Let's get started. First, make sure you baked your mesh maps. Go to Texture Set Settings, scroll down to Mesh Maps, and click Bake Mesh Maps. Make sure thickness is checked. That's the one we'll use to create our light and shadow effect. Click on Bake button to start bake the thickness map. Return to painting mode and check thickness map on Textures tab. Next, create a new fill layer. We'll use this layer to control the light and shadow color. For this example, I'll set the base color to black, but you can use any color that fits your material. Right-click on New Layer and add Black Mask. Now, on the fill layer, add a fill effect. Then click on the Grayscale button, and choose the thickness map from your baked textures. This maps the light information directly onto your model. Next, add a Levels effect above it. Click Invert to flip the light and dark areas. This way, you can control whether the light hits raised areas or recessed ones. You can control the strength by using this slider. Now, change the layer blending mode from normal to others. Like overlay, soft light, or multiply, each mode gives a slightly different look, so play around until you find what fits best. Finally, lower the opacity of the layer to reduce the strength of the effect. This gives a more natural, subtle light and shadow enhancement. You've just added quick and effective lighting and shadow depth to your textures using the thickness map. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.